Who is the protagonist of our story? Certainly the farmer, and his hard job, while bent at work, dries the sweat from his forehead, the result of a great fatigue. Certainly nature, of which we accommodate the rhythms, taking into account the cycles of the seasons. Thanks to our love for the ground, which result in pure passion, we think of them every day while we do the science of nature without altering the times, and we entrust our growth to research by developing products that fully meet the demands of a constantly evolving market. Our research center is located in the plain near Bologna, on a surface of about 90 hectares. The ideal area for the selection, retention, impurity, and the agronomic test of the main fodder. For selecting seeds that fit the environment they will be used in, it's necessary to identify particularly suited territories. For this reason, our areas of production, distributed on the national territory, as well as in Europe, Africa, and America, are called to ensure professional answers to meet all the needs of the agricultural sector. In this direction are then involved the business organization and the technological equipment, additional elements that allow us to transform our ideas and knowledge in products of the highest quality. These are the elements that have determined our success. Despite a young history, we know how to gain the trust of many customers around the world, becoming leader in the production and marketing of forage. Seeing the complexity of our productions, to the tireless work of farmers, properly supported by expert technicians, we add the availability of soils that favor the research and the varietal comparison. The care we put in the selection of our 62 varieties within 21 different species of forage, legumes, and gramineae, taking care not to alter their natural balance, defines our concept of natural growth. We enhance what nature creates through a long and complex process, which allows us to obtain a quality product. For this reason, we are breeders and maintainers in purity of a very large number of varieties belonging to different species. A lot of care and attention guarantee a result that is more than satisfactory even in terms of harvest. The richness of our productions is related to the abundance of fruits that, carefully selected, come from our land. Frantically, first the tractors operate the mowing, then threshing, and as they proceed tireless, they give back to the memory sounds and rhythms of work in the fields, eased, with the passing of time, by the contribution of the machines. We, faithful to this legacy, have chosen to combining the richness and the tradition of agriculture to modern efficiency and business capacity, achieving a result of fundamental importance, being able to offer our customers only prized seeds. From the fields directly to the machinery plant. Once collected, our product is readily loaded onto our means of transportation and transferred in the processing plants. If our business philosophy is based on factors such as innovation and quality, what makes us truly unique is the force and the size of our facilities, inside of which the machines work at a relentless pace, ensuring huge production quantities. This is what makes us a great reality. Another element that fostered our success and continues to do so is represented precisely by our well-distributed on the national territory processing plants. Teramo, Here, on an area of 12,000 square meters, 3 contiguous industrial settlements are operating. Inside of them there are 6 systems for the selection of legumes, with a production capacity of about 80 tons per day, and 2 automatic packaging systems with pallet production lines. Parma. On an area of 4,500 square meters, there are a system of selection of gramineae and a packaging line with a production capacity of 70 tons per day. Ferrara. 2 systems for the selection of the gramineae equipped with a storage silos occupy an area of 5,000 square meters. That's our large production capacity that allows us to respond with punctuality to all requests of our customers, both in terms of volumes and delivery times. The quality of our work is assured also in the analysis laboratory, which we entrust the task of controlling the products from their entrance into the company warehouse during all the stages of processing and up to the final packaging. Once the product is freed from impurities and made homogeneous, a sample is drawn for analysis and for verifying if it meets the quality standards required by the official certification. This is the testimony of how, during the processing, we don't neglect any detail, and with the valuable work of our employees and the experience gained in the field, we control that the qualitative characteristics of the product remain optimal. Thanks to an automated production process that allows us to significantly reduce the working times, now our seed is then ready to be packaged and palletized. Diversified packaging allows us to perfectly keep the characteristics of the product and to enhance the numerous varieties, forming a very wide range that exalts the storability in a fully stocked warehouse, in its turn supported by a perfect organization of logistics. Our seed comes from the ground and needs to return in the ground, improved in its quality and certificated. And it's here that our story ends, to be told again tomorrow with the same intensity as today, while our products travel with every means of transportation to reach the buyers to whom we assure punctual delivery. That is why we have obtained the confidence of the market and of our clients, who choose us every day worldwide.